Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk about the UAN creation process. So in this video, I will tell a brief about the UAN because in whatever company you are joining like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant और कोई भी company में आप join कर रहे हैं, then आपको UAN create करना होगा. So in this video, I will take out the step-by-step process. So make sure to go through video carefully. So first of all, let me just give you a brief idea about what is UAN. So UAN is a nothing but a universal account number, and this is a 12-digit unique number provided by the EPFO. Okay, Employment Provident Fund Organizations, and it connects multiple PF account for of an employee, and it help to manage the EPF services. So these are the features of UAN like one UAN for entire carriers and easy PF balance checking. You can check the PF transfer, and it also support Aadhaar and KYC verification. So now talking about the UAN creation process. So what are the process? Beside that, I will tell you the step by step process. So there might be two conditions. First condition that your employer may register the employee on EPFO portal, which actually generally not happen. But as a employee, you have to submit or you have to basically create or initiate the process of creating UAN. Okay, so employee details like Aadhaar and PANs are submitted, and EPFO generate a unique UAN number, which is basically given to the employee. Now let me tell you the step by step process किस तरह से भाई UAN create करना है. So I think now you got the clarity what is UAN and other things. Okay. Now let me show you the step by step process of doing this. Okay. So first of all, friends, these are the things. So you have to basically download the Umang app. Okay. So generation of UAN process. So all employee UAN will be generated using face authentication via the Umang app. So first of all, you have to create the UN means Umang app, and you have to download the Umang app. So to generate a UN universal account number through Umang app, you need to download two app. First Umang app and then Aadhaar Based RD app. So दो ऐप आपको डाउनलोड कर लेना प्ले स्टोर से उमंग और एक आधार बेस्ड आरडी ऐप फॉर द ऑथेंटिकेशंस. नाउ स्टेप 2 इज नथिंग बट आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग द एप्लीकेशंस ओपन द उमंग ऐप एंड सर्च फॉर ईपीएफओ सर्विसेज. ओके, सो इस तरह का आपको इंटरफेस दिखेगा. इसमें आप सिंपली सर्च करना ईपीएफओ. So then you will get this like EPFO department. Then under Provident department, click the EPFO and Employee Provident Fund Organizations. So यहाँ पर आप जैसे ही click कीजिएगा, then a new window will appear like this. Okay. So on EPFO page, scroll down and under UAN services through page authentications means जैसे ही आप EPFO click करिएगा, इस तरह का इंटरफेस दिखेगा जिसमें आपको सिंपली क्रिएट करना दिस इज दैट यूएन सर्विसेज थ्रू फेस ऑथेंटिकेशन. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप यूएन अकाउंट को एक्टिवेट करना चाहते हैं बाय द फेस ऑथेंटिकेशन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 5 इज यू हैव टू जस्ट इंटर द बेसिक डिटेल्स लाइक द आधार नंबर एंड आधार लिंक्ड मोबाइल नंबर. रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, जो भी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं यूएन के लिए, मेक श्योर दैट यू शुड हैव एक्टिव और योर आधार नंबर शुड लिंक विद द मोबाइल नंबर. ओके, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट ओटीपी एंड इट विल बी हार्ड टू create the UAN account. So make sure that your Aadhaar linked mobile number is active. Okay. So just you have to give the basic details like an Aadhaar and all those things. You have to send the OTP and authenticate that. Okay. So after authentication, friends, this is one of the crucial steps that after successful authentication, Umang app will prompt direct you to Aadhaar based RD app. मीन्स जो आप अदर ऐप डाउनलोड करेंगे डायरेक्टली आपको प्रॉम्प्ट कर देगा या रीडायरेक्ट करेगा. उसमें सिंपली आपको फेशियल बायोमेट्रिक ऑथेंटिकेशन देना है. मीन्स यू हैव टू ब्लिंक योर आई एंड डू द ऑथेंटिकेशंस ऑफ दिस. नाउ स्टेप 8 जस्ट means you have to complete the facial biometric authentications by placing your face straight in the camera, and these are the same, just you have to blink to capture. So in this way your authentications will be completed. So after successful facial biometric authentications, your UN or universal account number will be generated and you will also receive a message to it. Okay, so UN will be basically given to your mobile number and you can note down, and you can also give that UN to your portal. Remember friends, a temporary password for UN will also be sent to your registered mobile, so it is mandatory to change the password. Okay, so you may change the password thereafter by logging into the EPFO member portal. So मैं आपको लिंक भी दे दूंगा EPFO पोर्टल पे. सिंपली आपको यहाँ पर UN नंबर देना है एंड टेम्पोरी पासवर्ड देना है, एंड वेन एवर यू विल क्लिक द पासवर्ड देन you have to basically give a new password and you have to remember this password. So this is the complete step by step process for creation of UN. Now after that, this is one of the critical process, like you have to active your UN. Okay, means you have to basically activate your UN. So just you have to use the, means you open the EPFO portal and you have to go to this site like member interface, enter your UN or EPF account details and mobile number, and you will get an authorization pin from the EPFO, and submit pin on your mobile to activate the UN. So this is the just step by step process of doing activations. This is the steps which I was talking about. So when you will click here, then you can see here also activate UN. So whenever you will click the activate UN, you have to give the basic detail like UN number, Aadhaar number, name, date of birth, mobile number, and just you have to give, or you have to get the authorization pin and click the authorization pin, and you in this way your UN number will be activated. So yeah, just step by step process tha. I hope now you get the clarity how to do that and what is UN. So कोई भी query है feel free to ask her, or also you can get this user manual from the EPFO website, like they have clearly mentioned the step by step process. So if you don't want to register through the mobile number, but I suggest register through mobile, that will be a good process and easy process. But if you want to register through website also, you can follow these steps. They have clearly mentioned like the KYC, and these are the details you have to mention for doing that, and you have to register and submit that. So these are also way to create that. I hope this video informative to you. If you are facing any difficulty, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere. You can ask your query. And all the best for your future journey, especially those who are starting their career. Of course, if you are creating your event, then you are starting your career. So best of luck for your future journey. मिलते हैं next important videos में. Thank you.